Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this little Xbox battery charger to give an honest review, and that's what I'm going to do. So I play a lot of video games, especially Xbox, but the problem with the Xbox controllers is they actually use AA batteries, and they burn them up pretty quickly. I will often go ahead and try to use rechargeable batteries, but they tend to fall out and they kind of go bad sometimes. They're just not a convenient way to do this. That's why this little battery charger right here is a whole heck of a lot easier. You can kind of see that right now it's kind of green, looks like a little spaceship. It's got one, two, three, four battery packs. One's in here right now. And as you can see, all you do is you pull them out, you put them in your Xbox controller. I'll show you how to do that in a second. And then when you take your bad one, you put it back in, and it'll go ahead and keep charging. There it is. It's red, so it'll start to charge, and then it'll go ahead and turn green once it realizes that it's full. It holds up to four of these battery packs. So that's great. So you can have four players at one time. If you have to charge them all up, you have four controllers. Most people only have one or two controllers. They can go ahead and rotate them out. Works wonderfully. It does come with a little cord for the back. So you'll let's see here, USB-C cord in the back, and then a USB, what is this? I think A cord, USB, kind of a general USB thing. It does not come with the power block, but in my case, my little side tables actually have a USB port, but you can always get power block somewhere as well. So there we go. Now, I'm going to show you how this works as well. Let's see what's in the back of the controller. I'll open it up, and there it is. There's your pack. Cool thing about this pack is it just pops right back out. It only goes in one way. It's actually slotted on the end, so it only fits in one way. So you can't possibly screw them up. So with my AA batteries, I'm always go ahead and putting them in backwards. I turn it on, it doesn't work. What the heck's going on? Not with this. It's slotted on one end here, and then the other end kind of pops in. So you can only put it one way. You cannot put it this way. You can only put it the correct way. So that's really helpful. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this battery pack, and I'm going to put it in here, and you'll see, because I've been using this one for a little bit. And let's go ahead and put it in, click it in, and it's red, so it's charging. Now all I do is I take out a new one. Same thing, I go ahead and I line up the levers. Boop, there we go. Pops right in, put the back on, and I'm ready to keep playing in a matter of seconds. This little charger's been great. I now have both my Xbox controllers hooked up to this little charger. I just flip them out anymore. I no longer have to worry about AA batteries. This thing's great. I actually keep it right here while I'm playing, so now I can swap them out within 15-20 seconds. It's been wonderful. Highly recommended.